Alright, I thought I'd do a quick little video here. Something that's slowing me down from doing any more mods to the Red Rocket here is this wonderful subframe. A few months ago it actually broke at the steering rack. I ended up just repairing it, but I figured just to be safe I'd get my old subframe out of the Grand Am all cleaned up. Since this one was not rotten, it's actually pretty solid since the thing leaked so much all over the place that it preserved it. So I'm going to put this one in. This one's out. You can kind of see here where I like to rot. This is my repair piece I put in. I didn't drop the frame all the way down, that's why I was not able to weld up more, but it's got worse since I did it, which kind of sucks. So it's a good thing that I'm putting a new one in. That way when I do the engine swap or whatever else I do, we'll have a good solid frame to go with. Also another thing here, we have the old control arms from the Grand Am as well, which have polyurethane bushings in them already. Should help get traction down a little better. So if you have a 99 to 05, I guess a 97 to 05 GM N body, Malibu, Cutlass, Alero, Grand Am, you'll have to watch out for the frame rot on these things. This one's pretty crusty. Did not know it was that bad. But now we got a new one. Well, new used one, all freshened up. Be good to go. If you are doing one of these wonderful subframes, you'll want to put new sway bar bushings in, or a new sway bar if you can find one that's upgraded, or new altogether. This one's been welded before, but it works. So I got new bushings on. This is the part that's the problem on these. The GM basically just folds these up and then puts the bolt through it basically. I end up welding a piece of plate in here, just kind of reinforce it. Same with on the other side. This is where your steering rack bolts to. So once that goes loose on you, then you're in trouble.